Dear Daniel, when I was a little girl, I always dreamed about what my future husband would look like. Little did I know that he would be so much more than I could have ever imagined. That he would be a man that made every single day with him feel special. A man that would always make me feel loved and beautiful, even when I didn't feel it. A man that would do anything to make me laugh. A man that isn't afraid to cry. And a man that would do anything for those he loved. Little did I know that I would find a man that would carry my groceries, drive me around Vietnam, show me how to cook, and teach me how to love. A man that will always bring me treats just to remind me that I'm loved. A man that would make me feel like I was part of something so much bigger than myself. A man that would always encourage me to be my best self. A man that would not only support, but fearlessly jump into the abyss in order for me to chase my dreams. A man that raises me up so high, I've literally stood on mountains. Little did I know that man would be you. Daniel, we've been together for 7 years, and somehow I feel like I met you just yesterday, but have known you my whole life. You're my best friend, my partner in life, my adventure buddy, and literally the best person I know. I thank the universe every single day for putting you in my life. Because from the day that I met you, from the moment that I walked down the aisle to vow my life to you, and continuing on to the amazing, beautiful adventures we've shared together over the years, I'm just so grateful. Thank you for the years of adventures we've shared together and all of the beautiful years ahead of us. Thank you for always choosing kindness, love, and respect. You make every day with you so fun and so full of love and light that I do nothing but live in the present in gratitude. Thank you for being such a hard worker for us. Your work ethic is something I've always loved about you and continues to amaze me. It doesn't matter whether you're teaching, training Muay Thai, being a dad, or just being my best friend, you always give everything your all, and it shows. Thank you for having such a pure heart. You have nothing but genuine kindness and love for others, and it's beautiful to witness and experience. You literally make me a better person just by being you. Thank you for not only being the best husband a girl could ever ask for, but for being a best dad to our baby, the best co-parent to me. I thought this was the kind of love that only happened in movies. Thank you for proving me wrong. We've lived so many fun eras together, from the embarrassing drunk college nights to opening up our first bank account together, to studying abroad together, to then getting engaged, to moving into our first home, to even selling it all and traveling, to now. Seeing our little baby boy, his smile, his laugh, when he holds my hand. Every time I look at him, my heart warms that he has you. To love him and to show him what it's like to be a man, a father, and a friend. I know he's going to be an amazing man just like his daddy, and I'm so excited for the beautiful memories we're going to create and share together, and the immense amount of love that there will be in our family. Because you, Daniel, are nothing but pure love. I love you. Happy birthday.